Crazy cool kids crafting. Let's turn these items into a cool tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses game. How fun! These are the materials that you will need. Let's start with the round board first. You will need black chalkboard spray paint. Shake the can vigorously and spray in light and even strokes. Apply the first coat and allow to dry for about 20 minutes. Once the first coat is dry, you could go in with the second coat. And don't forget your edges. While that's drying, let's spray paint our stones and pebbles in the different team colors. You can choose any color you like, but how fun is this bright yellow? Next, let's go in with a bright red. While these stones and the board are drying, let's look at some educational facts. This game is called Tic-Tac-Toe or Noughts and Crosses. To win this game, you need to get 3 of your pebbles or stones in a row, diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. 3. Izantatu. 3 is the lucky number in this game. Let's do some maths with the number 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Right! 3, 2, 1, let's get back to our project. With 20 minutes drying time, now you can take some chalk and mark out the lines on your game. Also, what's fun is you can use some crafting googly eyes and make little monsters for this tic-tac-toe game. Or you can mark the pebbles with noughts and crosses. What a fun spray painting project! For more projects like this, follow us on social media.